Alright, we're now going to attempt to remove the door handle, exterior door handle, off a 2015 Ford Mustang. Now, before we get started, this door handle is different from all the other door handles that we've taken off. Once you remove this part here, this piece stays locked. So we will need to turn the 25 Torx screw inside a certain way to remove the door handle. Now, this is when me and my partner Bob are going to show you how it's done. Okay. So first, we will loosen up the door handle. Easy, just like that. So we remove this piece, as you can see. Now, here's the issue. It stays locked. Other door handles would just open up, you're able to slide it out, but not these. So I'll have my partner Bob put that away for me. Now, the next step is going to be to loosen it up even more until we can get the handle loosened up to a certain point. Now that we have it loosened, now we have loosened it up to the point where you cannot loosen it up anymore, because then the screw will fall into the door panel. He's gonna hold the door handle open, as you can see, and we will start tightening it up until the slot moves to the certain position where it can come out. So right now we're tightening it while he has it open. Keep tightening it, until it reaches that certain point. But it seems like we went too far, so we'll have to loosen it up just a little more to get it to that point where it comes out. And there you have it, guys. The removal of a 2015 Ford Mustang.